This is Nashimar, the CEO of Infotaxcard.com, and we are a team of CPAs and EAs. The notion or concept that corporations provide 100% protection to individuals is a misconception. I'm going to describe it with the help of a few examples shortly. What is the definition of piercing a corporate veil? Piercing the corporate veil is a legal concept that allows courts to remove the limited liability of a corporation. Personal liability for the corporation's actions or debt may fall on shareholders, directors, or officers of the corporation. It is uncommon and typically happens when evidence indicates fraud, wrongdoing, or injustice exists. The corporation was essentially an alternative entity of the individuals and was not treated as a separate entity. Or it may happen when there was a lack of compliance with business formalities. Or, in a simple word, it is like uncovering who is behind the company and making them accountable for its obligations. The purpose of this policy is to prevent the misuse of the corporate structure to conceal improper behavior. Preventing the provision of piercing a corporate veil from interfering with business and personal activities is highly recommended. Let me share with you a few examples for a better comprehension. Tyler has a business and is operating it as a corporation. Tyler has a business account that he uses for both his business and personal activities. If Tyler is unable to pay his vendor due to financial difficulties, Tyler's vendor have the option to sue him personally and possibly pierce the corporate veil because he combined business and personal transactions into one account. There is another example. A corporation with a capital of $500 is organized by Jennifer. Jennifer had the intention of purchasing $100,000 worth of inventory using her credit line, and she was estimating that her profit will be used to pay for the goods. Because the business was not successful, she expects not to be personally liable because the purchase was made in the corporation's name. Jennifer could be personally liable for the debt because the corporation is undercapitalized and the creditors could successfully pierce the corporate veil. Here is a note. Regardless of the entity type, an individual is personally liable for any personal misconduct. Therefore, it is advised to consult with an attorney, CP, or an EA in order for a proper advice rather than ask to your next door person who created an LLC for his plumbing business. Instead, you must discuss your liability level with a professional. If the jury is involved in your case to decide, you can expect any outcome. I request to subscribe to my channel to receive the most up-to-date and accurate tax information in your email regularly. I thank you and God bless you.